Shaggy.
What are you doing in the fridge? Hey, dude, you got like half your body in there.
Whoa, he's pulling a whole piece of corn.
What's he doing? He's stealing the corn. Jiggy, what you doing?
What's he doing? Whoa.
He's the size of a coon being a coon cat. Check him out.
So that's where they get their names from. They're actually kind of smart at
Jiggy!
everything's out of the fridge.
We have a thief in the house. Jiggy, come here. Okay, Jiggy. Do you want this piece? Caleb, can you grab that piece off? We'll just give it to him. Since he worked so hard to get it.
Shaggy. Did he just take it with him? He just took it with him and moved.
All right.